Hello students, see here, this is the tally marking of marks of 100 students in mathematics. Okay, this is what purpose we have to discuss. That is already we were discussing about the 4 questions of frequency distribution, right? In the last question, how we can find out the frequency, so for that sake only I am going to explain this. This is also very important. It will come for practical oriented question, okay, projected oriented question. So here the first one is class. Already I explained about lower class, upper class, so the two ends of class limits, upper limit, lower limit, okay. Actually in the class there are two types. One is exclusive, another one is inclusive. Okay, in the exclusive method upper classes will be excluded. Andre idana ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. This will be calculated in next class. Okay, this will be calculated in next class. Okay, in this method we cannot include the upper class limit. That means we are excluding the upper class limit. Okay, this is the class limit. So what are the observations? These are all observations. See what we discussed in the previous example. Marks obtained by 100 students in mathematics subjects. How many are got? How much? So here 0 to 10 how many? Only 1. Okay, 0 to 10 means 0 to 9. 10 is excluded. In this method 10 is excluded ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, 0 to 9 how many are got? 10 to 19 how many are got? See here how many are got ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That is observation. Okay, so here 10 to 19 how many are got? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, how many? 8 is their frequency. Okay, already we discussed in previous table. So 20 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 100. Because last, right? Last ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದನ್ನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. There is no further class. Okay, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Anyhow, so this is the class. 10 classes are there. Observation, how many students have got? Marks, how much marks? How many are got? How much marks? This is, say 10 to 19 how many students got? A student 10, another student 14, another student 17, another student 12, another student 14, another student 12, another student 14, and again another student 14. Totally how many? 8. Okay, you can observe in the table. So this is the tally mark. What is the meaning of tally mark? Actually the tally mark comes like this only. Like this. The tally mark comes like this only. See students, actually the tally mark shows like this only, right? This is the tally mark. This shows the values. Okay, 0 to 9 how many are got? Don't forget, in the exclusive method we are excluding the upper class limit. That means we are not including this. But in the inclusive method we are calculating both. We are calculating only 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. Why? Because this value will be counted in next class, right? So here 0 to 9 how many are got? 0. That's why we have to mention like one tally. This is 1 means like tally marking. So here 10 to 19 how many are got? 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These are all we can observe in the previous example which I given, like marks of mathematics obtained by 100 students. You can observe that. How many students are got? 10 to 19, 8. That time we have to write 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. When we are writing like this, when we are putting like this is called as 5. It's a group of tally mark. That time we will consider as a 5. Say 1 2 3 4. The 5 should be right like this. This is the 5. Okay, 5 6 7 8. Are you understanding? This is the tally mark. For each one is one tally mark is okay. Here 5, 6, 7, 8. Then how many are got? 20 to 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That time you should write. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. Then 6. Okay. Tally marking. It will come for project oriented question. Okay. Or otherwise it will come for 6 marks. It will come for 6 marks. Okay. So here then 30 to 39. How many I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Here 40 to 50. How many I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. This time, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fifth. This is a tally group. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. Then how many are 50 to 59? 50 to 59. Marks. How many are got? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And plus 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 1, 5. Then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Right? So on. So as continuation same only. So this is the frequency. How many? This is the frequency. 1, then 8, then 6, then 7, 21. This is the frequency. And what about the class mark? So class mark is nothing but already explained. So upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. Upper class limit. Okay. See the formula to calculate that one. Upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. For example, this 15th one, see for 2, see here you have to observe here, upper class is 20 plus lower class is 10 divided by 2, it will come 15. Okay, as like as you can count down 30 plus 20, that is 50 divided by 2. So here 50 divided by 2, how much will come? 25. So here you have to calculate like first you have to write 30, then 2, that is 15. So as like this you have to calculate all the classes values, you can get this. Okay, don't forget it will come for 6 marks, tally marking. So first one is class 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. Don't forget in this exclusive method we are not calculating upper class limit. That means we are excluding the upper class limit. We are excluding the upper class limit. Okay. And here the second column is observation. How many students are got how much marks? How many students have got how much marks? Here this is the marks. Where we have obtained this one? This is obtained by 100 students. Marks of mathematics, which I already given as an example in previous classes. Okay. Okay, don't forget. So these are all observations. See, these are observations collected from the previous example, that is marks of mathematics, tally marking of marks of 100 students in mathematics. Okay, here what we collected before, what we discussed in the example, that was completely raw data. Okay, this is the organization of data with the help of frequency distribution. This is the help of tally. Tally is nothing but it's a symbol. Okay, it shows the values. So this is called as tally 1. So when we are like 1, 2, 3, 4, it's a group of tally. It's a group of tally marking. We should put only mark. Okay, here you can observe that 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the class mark. How you can calculate the class mark? Upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. So all these you can understand with the help of this one, upper class limit and lower class limit. So this is the upper class limit. Don't forget, these are all upper class limit. These are all lower class limit. Okay. Classes, observations, tally marking, frequency and class mark.